is going on, guys? Today we are looking at a dash cam. I always recommend having a dash cam in your car. I've shown some different ones on the channel. We got one to show you today. This one is a 360-degree dash camera. We're gonna go throw in Brad's car and test it out and see what we think. In the box includes the camera itself. It also includes the charging cable and cigarette lighter, so you can go ahead and plug that in. It is USB Type-C. It also has a hard wiring kit, so you can go ahead and wire it into key on or constant power, however you want to wire that. We're just gonna use the cigarette lighter, plug it in, and get started with it right away. So the 70 my dash cam Omni has a 360 view. We're gonna check that out. We're gonna test it out, see how it goes. It also records for 24-hour surveillance, so it can go ahead and pick up on some other stuff that, you know, when your car's parked or whatever, you can go ahead and go back to that and find out what was going on. It also has crash detection. If something does go wrong, it's gonna go ahead and make sure that incident is saved. So let's go hop into Brad's car and get it installed. Cleaning the windshield.
Oh no, I got the nick.
What you think? Easy install?
I mean, it's pretty easy. It does come with an extra one of these, so if you have to move it to like another car or something, you can do that.
So now I guess we just plug it in and turn it on. Yeah, I do know it has 32 gigs of internal storage, which is pretty good.
And just take a Type-C plug.
Yeah, that's pretty nice. Type-C doesn't get damaged as easy as like the micro USB.
It only goes in, well, it goes in either way, so you can't put it in the wrong way. So, there we go, it's plugged in. See if it lights up when we give it power. Oh, there. Alright.
Oh, it moves!
Dude, it's got a face! You
Whoa!
see the face?
To activate the dash cam.
What
What did it ask me to do?
Turn the key off? I don't think you need the key on. I think it said open the app, so we gotta connect it with the app. Okay, so this is pretty cool. You can rotate the camera around with the app. That's so crazy. And you can see the view right here on the phone. Okay, so it takes voice commands. Watch this. Shoot inside. Whoa! That's crazy. Shoot left. Whoa! Alright, well, I guess we just need to get some sample footage and see how it looks, but the stuff I downloaded on my phone from us just in the car looked really good. So the camera can record in full HD, 60 frames per second. Pretty cool. We gotta test it out. And yeah, like I said, dash cams are cool to have, regardless of what they are. I'm just showing you one pretty cool example. I'll leave the link down in the description, but we're gonna go test it out and get some sample footage of how it looks, and we'll see how it goes. It also has night vision too.
Only night vision I've ever seen is green. I'm curious now.
Yeah? Alright, let's go test it out.
Alright.
See video. We're getting passed. That was an emergency. Oh my god. You gotta show Kristen that. She's gonna die. Alright guys, so that is going to conclude the review on the Dashcam 70 Mi. I will leave a link in the description down to go check it out. There are a million different Dashcams out there. This one's pretty cool. It rotates, has 360 view. It also has parking surveillance as well as pretty high frame rate. Video quality is pretty good. It also records audio, has voice commands. It's a pretty cool one. Comes with pretty much everything you need to go ahead and get it wired and installed. We threw it in here in about like 2 minutes and went out and tested it. We're gonna keep it in Brad's car and he's gonna test it out, and he'll have a little dash cam to use for a little bit. So guys, if you want to check one out, link in the description. As always, hit the like button down below, leave a comment, let us know what you think, and we will see you guys in the next one.